In this immense ocean, technology is our work. The world keeps changing every day, and technology continues to update very fast. And we are continuing to innovate every step of the way. After more than 10 years of efforts, Immetech has developed from a professional tool manufacturer to a one-stop solution provider in project development, production, sales, and service, in engineering design and project management, plastic product, hardware product, rapid prototypes, injection mold development manufacturing, injection molding, die casting mold manufacturing, production and secondary processing, mass production and assembly of products with highest standard. These services cover all your needs. Immetech can provide you a full range of services in the automotive industry, home appliances, smart products, consumers products, medical devices, communications equipment, security, energy saving, and other fields. Immetech makes products with ingenuity and communicates to customers with integrity. We have our design and engineering center, top quality machinery for tool making and production, and also assembly. The advanced equipments include DMG Mori and Fanuc, Okuma, high-speed CNC machines from Japan, Makino, Mitsubishi Merospark EDM machines from Japan, Hexagon 3mm inspection machines, and more. Dedicated to winning quality and delivery, Immetech is determined to become the industry's benchmark for a new spirit of craftsmanship. We are fully implementing the Iroha flexible manufacturing process control system to improve the workflow of the machines with very precise tolerance range and stable quality, which is in our DNA for Industry 4.0. We have our own core competitive advantages: continuous innovation, teamwork, reliable quality, quick response, best cost control, on-time delivery, supply chain management, and other one-stop services. Our management and engineering team ranges from 10 to 25 years industrial experience, and we are always innovating and updating. We continue to grow over the years and received many positive appraisals from our global customers. Immetech always adheres to the values of focus, innovation, integrity, and win-win. To achieve our mission, we continue to improve and refine our management system and working methods, researching and developing a number of leading new technologies and products. Immetech has passed the SGS ISO 9001-2015 International Quality Control System and gained UCA certification, and obtained National High-Tech Enterprise Qualification certification. With a number of intellectual property rights, design innovation patents, and appearance patents, Immetech receives customers from all over the world. Immetech is not only committed to providing high-quality products and services, but also actively giving back to society, devoting great importance to a humanitarian spirit, carrying out a variety of charity activities to support vulnerable groups in society. In the future, Immetech will strive to become the industry's new craftsman spirit benchmark enterprise and strive to achieve the goal: serve products to the world, build molds to the globe. Here's to Immetech. Here's to your success. 产品同世界，国际共建。